Welcome to the Tedmos product showcase. Today I am introducing a brand new microwave motion sensor ceiling light with a massive 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery, perfect for illuminating closets, bathrooms, kitchens, hallway, storage rooms, and any other dark corners that I can find. We will now look into the key features that it has. The standout feature is the microwave sensing technology. Unlike traditional infrared sensors, the microwave technology detects human movement across a wider angle with higher sensitivity, making it responsive and convenient to use. Additionally, the light is equipped with a huge 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the longest I have seen in a ceiling light like this, so you won't have to constantly be recharging this thing. For the first use, it is recommended that you charge it fully so that you will get full use out of it. The charging light turns red during charging and green when it is fully charged. Charge it once and you'll enjoy long-lasting, stable lighting with reduced charging frequency. The light is incredibly bright, with 550 lumen output, ensuring a well-lit space. With a color rendering index of over 90, the light appears natural and vivid, whether in a closet or hallway. What's truly special is that it is IP54 waterproof, so that means you can use this thing in moisture areas. It can perform in a humid bathroom or a kitchen and is unaffected by water vapor. The light offers more than just an always on mode. It has two motion sensor modes that help you save energy and provide optimal light based on your environment. First, there is the day mode. With the blue indicator flashing, even in bright environments, the light will turn on when motion is detected. Next is the night mode, with the green indicator flashing. In well-lit conditions, the light will stay off, but once the light dims, it will automatically turn on when motion is detected. The operation of the light is straightforward. A short press on the mode button switches between the three modes: red flashing for always on, green for night mode, and blue for day mode. A long press turns the light off. The brightness button allows you to adjust the color temperature, short press to switch between modes, and a long press for infinite brightness adjustment. Additionally, the remote control makes it even easier to operate. With it, you can turn the light on and off, switch mode, adjust brightness and color temperature, and even set a timer function for automatic shut off. The ceiling light is ideal for multiple scenarios. In your closet, it can help with picking out clothes. In the hallway, it can make sure that you don't trip as you walk through the night. And it can even be used in a shower or kitchen and bathroom so that you can see what you're doing. Finally, in storage rooms, it can help you with organization and to find items that were previously dark. This high-performance smart life makes your home life more convenient and intelligent. Tedmos. Simple light, simple life.